Today we have a special invitee, a newly elected representative to the House of Lok Sabha, C.Lalrosanga. And we are also fortunate to have with us the presence of Puvandalrona and Pubyakthansanga, member of Aizawl Municipal Council. Together, these three people have been casts of Hamlet, which was famous many, many years ago. It was regarded as the first Mizo language audio drama. To show our appreciation, we would like to invite the three of them up on stage. C.Lalrosanga, Puvandalrona, and Pubyakthansanga, to receive our tokens of appreciation. They have been members of Redemption Theatricals. C.Lalrosanga played the ghost of Hamlet's father. Puvandalrona played Hamlet, and Pubyakthansanga played Letis from the play Hamlet. Okay. Thank you, Puvandalrona and Pubyakthansanga. And we would like to request C.Lalrosanga to remain on stage to deliver a short speech.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Respected Principal, Professor Dr. Ton Enga, Professor L.H. Chuan Oma, the Vice Chairman of the Organizing Committee, dear students, faculty members, and I believe there are some honorable MLAs amongst us here this afternoon also. Congratulations to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Graduation Day. It's an honor to be here after many, many years. I'm a product of this prestigious college. I graduated from this college in 1977. Some 45 years back, I started in this college. And it is an honor to see so many bright, promising, beautiful and handsome young men and women in this auditorium. I would like to recall some of my own experiences in this college because fond memories I have of this college. I remember being the first debating secretary of the Students' Union and later on becoming the general secretary of the Students' Union before I graduated. And it was while I was in this college that I had the honor of participating in many extracurricular activities, particularly in debating, in elocution, in drama, and many other competitions that we had in the college. I remember the drama that we staged here. We staged a drama here. It was called The Man Who Would Not Go to Heaven. And I was the main actor then. And because of that, the college won the Best Actor Award in 1975 from this college. So here I stand, feeling very proud of the college, feeling very, very elated at the thought of seeing and prospect of seeing young men and women going out to the world for successes in life. I cannot but recall the fact that this college had produced so many prominent citizens of the state of Mizoram, so many successful men and women, so many successful persons in sports, in academics, in different professions in this life. I congratulate all of you. I would just like to quote a portion of the Bible which says that we are God's handiwork. You are all God's handiwork. Wonderful handiwork of the Almighty God. And God has created you and I to be His workmanship, that we should work according to His plan. God has plans for each and every one of us. I believe you all know that. And I would like to see that you all of you, each of you, work according to the plans the mighty Creator has worked out for you. You only have to find out. You only have to seek. You only have to ask God, the Creator, what are His plans for you? I believe God has very, very wonderful plans ahead of you. You have the whole world ahead of you. The whole world is just in front of you. You are here to see that you make yourself great men and women of the state of Mizoram, that you become asset and gems of the state of Mizoram. I am a newly elected representative of this state. I had just passed my exam. I had just passed a very tough examination very recently. And I have my own world ahead of me. I have my own world, to see, to walk in. And I believe the same thing is happening to you also. You have just completed your examinations. You have the whole wide world ahead of you. You have the Almighty God, the Creator, to help you find out His plans for you and to let Him work out His plans in your life. And I believe God is very much able to do that. What He has started in you, the good work that He has started in you will bear fruit. Will bear fruit, not just for yourselves, for the state, for the nation, for the Mizo nation, for the Mizo people. I am here to represent the Mizo people, the Mizo nation, the state of Mizoram, the people of Mizoram in the larger part of the country in the parliament. And so do you. You have to represent your country, your nation, as an Indian citizen and also as a nationalist of the state of Mizoram. We are proud of being a part of Mizoram. We are proud that we are born in Mizoram, brought up in Mizoram, educated in Mizoram, and we are very proud that we as a nation have been chosen by the Almighty to work for greater things. You can work out greater things for yourself and for this nation, the nation that we proudly call the Mizo nation. I therefore request you and encourage you, as you take this part, as you walk in your own part, individual parts that God has worked out for you, make sure that the purpose of your life, the very purpose of your life that has been shown to you by the Creator and also by your teachers and also from learning in this prestigious college, make you a great nation builder. I want you all to be great nation builder, to build Mizoram, okay, to build the nation that we call Mizoram, to build the nation that we call the Mizo nation. Whether you are in Mizoram or in other parts of India or you are in other parts of the world, just remember that God has special plans for you. And wherever you go, whether you remain in Mizoram, whether you go out of your comfort zone and step into the world, go abroad, or go to any other part of India, that you carry with you your identity as a Mizo, your identity as a product, an alumni, an alumnus of the prestigious Pachhunga College. Remember that with pride, remember that with boldness, step out with boldness, step out in faith, step out in confidence, believe in yourself. Don't let hurdles and obstacles allow you to come in your way. Make sure that you jump the hurdles, that you overcome the hurdles and obstacles that stand in your way. Be an example to the rest of your student mates. Be an example to other parts of the country. I know that this college has developed very much, has progressed, has won awards, is a very prestigious college in the state of Mizoram and in the Northeast as well. Whenever I go out in other parts of the northeastern part of India and in the wider part of the country, I always say with pride, I graduated from Pachhunga University College. I graduated from here. It is this college which has infused me with confidence to face the world. And you are there already equipped. You have been equipped already by your teachers, by your studies. So go out. Just go out with confidence, in full faith in yourself, that you can fight the world, that you can overcome the world, that you'll become a proud member of the Mizo society, a proud member of the state of Mizoram, and that you make out your own life with whatever God has given you. Make sure that each and every day of your life counts. That the years you have spent already before college, during college, and also after college, that all this count towards making your life a success, not just for yourself, not just for your family, but for the people, for the nation as a whole. And step forward and see that, well, here in Mizoram, there is this college called Pachhunga University College, which has been able to produce so many wonderful, successful, and, honorable members of the society. I wish you well. I wish you successes in your own careers, in your own lines, in all the streams that you have gone in. I thank the college for inviting me here. I thank the organizing committee for the wonderful, arrangements that you have made. This is a wonderful auditorium. As an artist, as an actor, I would like to use this stage to act out some plays, It was in this college some 45 years back that I used to recite, under the motivation of my teachers, the famous quote by, William Shakespeare, "To be or not to be, to be or not to be. It's before you to decide to be or not to be a success or not to be a success in life. Thank you very much. I wish you well. Thank you.
Thank you, PUC C.Lalrosanga, and congratulations once again. We are proud to have PUC alumnus to represent the people of Mizoram in the Lok Sabha.